Lights, come on. Wait. You can't get in. Wow. Put on the lip glass for that. Oh my goodness. Oh shit. I got a lip glass. We can come? Yes. Count for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I'll nominate.
You don't think?
Yes.
But we're not feel sorry for you. What was the
number we pay?
No, I'm waiting.
Crowd the seat so that
Not nice.
Via subscribers, Vybz Kartel, the world boss, the one done, the dancehall king, the arena sheller, the stadium seller is at it again. And this time I have a clip of Vybz Kartel bringing out Bad Girl Bambi at his concert in French Guyana. And I'm not telling a lie, people, the performance up and notch it loud about the cloud at one place at one party. Bad, it wicked, it mad, it sick in a real life. Talk truth, no man. And right now I have a clip of Vybz Kartel entrance at his concert in French Guyana. And people, I'm not telling a lie, if entrance was a person, it have the name Adija Palmer. And when I go talk to you long, I go forward another clip here and see what I go on.
French Guyana! Domino!
So people, that was a clip of Vybz Kartel entrance at his concert in French Guyana, and I'm not telling a lie, people. When the man touch the stage, the whole place ignite. The clip and normally bad, it wicked, it mad, it sick in a real life. The man and the name world boss, down, oh. And right now I have a clip of Elephant Man and Moonskull linking up in London, UK. And I'm not telling a lie, people, there was never a dull moment during this link up. And I'm not even going to talk to you long. I go forward the night clip and see what Ellie and Moonskull are going with.
What two morning?
Yo, big up my designer. Used to the swag, at him. Used to the yellow, at him. Stayed from Jamaica to London, Jonathan, and from Jamaica to US. So you see me in the US soon. You don't know. Yes, I'm me and Kartel designer. This I can respond to me and Paddy. So big up Paddy because you know our designer. One morning, one squad.
One girl boss, one elephant.
One.
I'm out.
So people, that was a clip of Elephant Man and Moonskull linking up in London, UK. And I'm not telling a lie, it's a good look, it's a big look, it's a great look. They link up the body, it wicked, it mad, it sick, it talk truth, no man. The man's a theme. Addy designer that in a real life. Big up yourself, Mooney. Big up yourself, Elephant Man. Big up yourself, Vybz Kartel. And right now, I have a clip of Elephant Man performing his hit song Pretty Baby in London, UK. And people, I'm not telling a lie, he look like Elephant Man at the dancehall usher for true, you know. The man give beer roses to the ladies. And when I go talk to you long, I go forward in a clip and see what energy God I go on with.
City flesh and girl with that flesh them baby. Me pretty baby. Yummy. You secret me baby. If I know maybe whenever you're lonely, girl you can phone me. Your pussy grip me baby. I've me running. We can talk for hours. See that for me own girl. Yep.
So people, that was a clip of Elephant Man and his choir performing Pretty Baby in London, UK. And me not gonna lie, there was never a dull moment during that performance. Elephant Man shell the whole place, talk shoot no man. People, that song I gone with the summer, you know. Yeah man, and it look like it a go go with the December too. In a real life, Elephant Man, the performance is bad, it wicked, it mad, it sick. Big up yourself. The outside, I do it for the culture from them time till now. And people, right now, I have a clip of Lisa Hyper and Shelly and Koran in studio. And people, I not tell a lie, Lisa Hyper and Shelly look like them a cook up something. And I not going to talk too long. I go forward in a clip and see what them are going with.
Water with bright cup of tea. Help be a police, a fit all off the tree. Me send go fi village and call the la creek. Maxfield man will murder spree. Them a fire gunshot like them get them fi free. Walter man bin na the most family. Them full of all of AK, SMG. Grand spend of the gal them we clean. Some of them are 47 and some are 16. Some man war in a anybody scheme. Big yard of the country with laser beam.
So people, that was a clip of Lisa Hype and Shelly and Koran in studio. And people, I'm not gonna lie, one thing in the man with Lisa Hyper, she can spit. Lisa, your body, you're wicked, you're mad, you're sick kid. Talk to the people. And right now, I have a clip of Matsus, aka Gaza Tigo. And Gaza Tigo, a show off wifey cooking skills, you know. Yeah, man. And when I go talk to you long, go forward another clip here and see what I go on.
Tell wifey I'm hungry, I need something to eat real fast. Yes, that is what I fell for. I tell wifey I'm hungry and I need some food right now. She did this for me right away. I said, hurry up and come for it. Mackerel and dumpling and yam and banana. Some plum juice. Water. KFC can't give you good stamina.
So people, that was a clip of Matsus, aka Gaza Tigo, a show of wifey skills. And one thing in the man, Shad Stam did right. If Matsus mad one more time, he would have to name Insane Sus. You're not normal, you're wicked, you're sick kid in a real life. And people, right now, I have a clip of Kizzidan and Kipridge. And right now, Kizzidan a show off our big bad mansion, you know, people. And I'm not even going to talk to you long. I go forward in a clip and see what I go on.
I take my time, because I'm not going to drop. So I'm going to put a little zinc here, so. I'm going to show them my stage for you, so, babes. See my step, guys? I'm going to step rainy. You know what it is, step?
Spiral.
Jesus Christ. Spiral. We call it rainy step, babes. Spiral. Alright. I take my time, babes. I'm not going to drop down. Whoa, I'm not going to drop down, babes. Come on. Come, babe. I'm not leaving away at all. I'm for watch you. Alright, so. Alright. So that's why I'm going to keep us on the bag in more slippers and bag because I this me a focus pan. And this are the flex here, guys. Now I'm going to check on with designer boot and all here. If you don't have this, then I'm going to rate to know. And this are the flex. Not no in a dance every weekend. And this are the flex. Here guys, and this are the flex. And I don't know who wear name brand and who wear Shein. Now for them you see a name brand, then I have nothing at all. They live in an uptown dear apartment until they reach hall. Man can't pay their rent and get them have to come out. And this are the flex here.
That is it, Kizzidan. I like how you take the time out of your busy schedule to motivate and encourage the people and make them know say yo. That are the flex. I no joke night. I see him say again in real life. That is a flex. And when I go talk to long people, I go forward in a clip again and I see what I go on.
Alright. Go over here so now. I tell you, that's how the house big. How am I going to manage it? I must lose pounds. I must lose pounds throughout it. I won't have enough picnic. I don't get fat more than 2 times. I fat them across the internet and I'm big and fat and pregnant. So.
At the master room, so.
Yeah. Upstairs I have to keep rich.
It's at the master room.
So I guess I'm going to go hard on the bathroom, babes. As we made the plan about. I'm going to go hard on the bathroom, you guys, because yes, I'm going to be the bathroom with tile out from top to the T. Yes, up here so.
Walk in the closet.
Walk in everything, you have to big. You can design it, so because you got the cash for that. Me not have it. Come. You can design it, so you have the cash for that. So I say black salt already, right? And this about 1300 black. I feel them I go want either 1,000 or so to carry it up to Lintel. So by the time I come back at Jamaica, I'm going to go back at foreign next week. When I come back at Jamaica, it's supposed to reach Lintel and Dunstay. It's supposed to done tile.
Lintel and color and steel up ready for deck.
We don't have to tile it stays until it.
There you have it, viewers and subscribers. That was a clip of Kizzydan and Kippridge showing off the big bad girl shan. And people, may not tell no lie, there was never a dull moment during that clip. And I like how Kizzydan take the time out to motivate the people them and make them know straight say you want to ear and shoes and clothes at the flex. House at the flex. If you don't have that, them not going to rate you in a real life. The clip normally bad, it wicked, it mad, it sick, it big up yourself, Kizzydan. Big up yourself, keep up. And I'm not going to talk too long with people. I want you now, my viewers and my subscribers, and all of the Vybz Kartel Gods and Nation fans, them, spam up a comment section and let me know what you all think about Vybz Kartel bringing out Bad Girl Bambi in French Guyana. It bad, it wicked, it hot, it cool. Yeah, man. I want to see all of the Vybz Kartel Gods and Nation fans, them, and all of the dancehall fans, them, spam up a comment section and let me know how I go on. You know the rules, you know the laws. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Feel free to comment. Like up the video, share up the video. You know it's your boy Suka, and I'm out.